and it may be that's causing us a problem right now.
Whoa!
Told you. We'll give her a shot, another shot. We may have to.
Okay.
Let me see if. I'm not seeing any gas coming in here. We'll give it another shot.
Okay, one more. Then we want to quit while you work on it?
No, we'll keep going here, see what happens. It wants to go.
Yeah, if it can't start with that.
Well, it's firing. It wants to run, so. I'd say we're not getting any gas to the carburetor.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Yeah.
What would be keeping it from getting gas to the car?
All right. Let's take the plug out and check it.
Okay. That was a pain to get it in there. Now you got to get it out of there.
Yeah. And these gloves don't help. Man, need a little bit of grease on that spark plug. And the boot.
Well, what's with the boot coming apart there? Is it supposed to be?
That's an insulator around the wire.
Oh.
All right, so it's trying to run, but you can see there's a whole lot of debris in there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's blowing out the rust from all the exhaust pipe,
Yeah.
and probably all the carbon off the top of the piston. The good sign is it did want to run.
Yeah. Let's see it. Hold it up here.
I'm gonna turn this light around here. So it is dry, completely dry.
So there's no.
There's no fuel getting to it. I'm gonna check it for spark again.
Okay.
So the next thing for me to do is take this carburetor, brand new carburetor apart, and see if the needle and seat are working. Because right now we should be flowing a lot of gas in here.
Yeah. Okay, should we stop for a bit?
Hold on, we'll go check spark.
Okay. Nothing. Is it grounded?
That's what I'm doing right now, trying to find a better ground.
Don't touch it.
There is no spark.
There's nothing on that. Why don't you try the new spark plug?
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spark plug and put in there. And that plug doesn't look like it should be firing. It's a little carbon foul. And it may be shorted out. Stop the spark. Let's give it another shot. Let's put a new spark plug in.
Okay.
I didn't want to put the new one in right away because I knew there'd be carbon and stuff flying around.
Yeah.
It may follow this plug out.
Yeah.
So I had to get it running, blow all that stuff out of the engine first, and then come back and do a tune-up on it.
You think all that's out now, or is it going to be?
A lot came out. Well, you've seen it's all on the floor right here.
Oh yeah.
A lot of that was in the muffler itself because it hadn't been run for so long. Yeah, that dang spark plug. There.
All right, we're back on.
All right, let's see if this works. If it'll fit in the hole. And of course not. This socket is a 13/16 and will not fit into that hole right there. So let me see. I think I've got a spark plug that might work. Let's see.
So they sent you the wrong size spark plug?
Well, it's a different socket size.
Oh. Find one?
Nope, didn't have a spark plug that size. I thought I had one. We'll give it a shot. I cleaned this one up.
Oh.
I took some really nice.
This the old one?
Yeah, this is the old one. Let's see if it fires again.
Yeah, this starts.
Put some new life into it. So we'll have to buy a new spark plug.
Yeah.
One that's right.
Great size.
Yeah. I don't think we'll get the fuel because that should have been wet.
Yeah. So, what's the spark plug do to make it? It doesn't have any activity where. It
Well,
would
every
make-
time I sprayed that stuff in the carburetor, it should have kept running.
Yeah.
And it wasn't. So the spark plug fouled out. I'm mixing the car. I'm being the mixer,
Yeah.
letting the air come in, and then I'm spraying the fuel in.
Wow, that thing takes forever to get screwed in
It's a
there.
long one.
Yeah. Boot.
Okay,
Give her a hit.
give it another shot. now, boys.